Welcome back to Elvishak Star. I hope you find yourself well at this time. The crystals I'm using for this reading are the Desert Rose Quartz Crystal and the Carnelian. The Desert Rose Quartz is known for its protection from negative energy and is very grounding. It is also known to lift the spirits and bring inspiration. The next crystal, Carnelian, is also known for its protective qualities from negative energy and to also bring deep grounding from Mother Nature, Gaia, and is connected to the sacral chakra to bring any blocked energies in this part of your body into the light for release at this time. I'm feeling connected to the spirit animal guide, the horse, with its grace and freedom and a firm foundation for grounding yourself at this time and staying fully present in this moment and throughout the day or evening. The oracle deck I'm using for this reading and energy check-in is the Oracle of the Birds by Jeannie Ruland. I am now shuffling the cards and cutting the deck. The first card that popped out is the Robin, symbolizing bright joy, sound, and singing. The robin sings not because the world is quiet, but because it's simply its true nature, to sing and for the pure joy of it. The robin is inspiring you to embrace your own inner joy and live authentically. This internal shift will create a peaceful environment for you, regardless of what's happening outside. The second card is the Raven, symbolizing ancestral wisdom. The Raven is a powerful card. This card suggests that drawing strength from your past, especially connected to your roots and to the wisdom and magic of your ancestors, energetically and a profound spiritual level. This connection can provide a deep sense of grounding, belonging, and insight, all of which are essential for navigating current challenges and creating a more peaceful life. The third card that popped out is the J, symbolizing balanced energy and an increase of energy. The J suggests that you should be mindful of your energy and your words. You are being asked to manage your personal energy, knowing when to be vocal and when to be quiet, and when to be active and when to rest. The J is also reminding us that our words can have a powerful impact. By choosing your words with care and intention, you can avoid creating conflict. The fourth card that popped out is the Sparrow. The bird suggests that a significant new development is on its way. But to welcome it, you must be willing to let go of old habits, situations, or relationships that are no longer serving your pursuit of peace. The Sparrow teaches you to embrace change and to prepare for a new, more peaceful chapter in your life. The fifth card is the Nest, symbolizing safety and security. This card suggests that you are actively building a safe and secure foundation for yourself. This foundation is a sanctuary where you can finally give space to your desires and visions, and it reassures you that you are protected and looked after by your spirit guides as you pursue your deepest truths and desires. The final and sixth card from the deck is the Nightingale, symbolizing your soul song, music that activates the soul. This is a profound message of spiritual and intuitive awakening, urging you to listen to that deep inner voice. It's a state of being where you are in complete alignment with the call of your heart. And the secret mystery card from the bottom of the deck is the Swallow, symbolizing spiritual guidance. The final promise from the Sparrow is that happiness is imminent. You are on a clear and direct path to the peace and joy you are seeking. It's a message of hope and a powerful sign that a peaceful future is not just possible, but very close. To close this reading, I would love to draw one card from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. I'm shuffling the cards and cutting the deck. Okay, we've got two cards that popped out of the deck. The first card is the Risk to Bloom. It says, "It has always amazed and humbled me how the risk to bloom can seem so insurmountable beforehand and so inevitably freeing once the threshold of suffering is crossed." The second card is the Secret of Life. It says, "Whatever our path, whatever the color or grain of our days, whatever riddles we must solve to stay alive, the secret of life somehow always has to do with the awakening and freeing of what has been asleep." This concludes the reading. Thank you so much for listening. Please hit the like button below if you've resonated with this video, and feel free to subscribe to my channel at any time. Sending you love and light as I send you back out into this world we call life. I love you. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.